Hello guys, and welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. In today's video, I will be bringing you guys along with my day, and on this day, I spent an entire 6 hours giving our home a good cleaning. There was just a lot of spaces that had accumulated a lot of dirt or gunk, and especially my bathroom, so I was really ready to get on in there. I was going to start by getting my bedding as well as my towel and throwing those into the wash before heading back into my bedroom to start wiping down a few of the surfaces. But if you are new here, I am in fact a teenager, but I have a huge passion for all things organizing and cleaning, and I also love giving my following the motivation to tackle those areas of just everyday life, honestly. So if you are interested in that sort of content, as well as a lot of upcoming motivating cleaning videos, I would love to have you here. So hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you do not miss out on more exciting upcoming content.
It's not ready. Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes slow, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, remedy, remedy. And the way you go, baby, don't you
A lot of dust had just kind of built up on my closet door here, so I thought I'd quickly wipe it off before moving into my kitchen because I had a lot of dishes to do here. But then I also just generally needed to wipe down a lot of the surfaces as well as these windows, as you can kind of see to the left here.
I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on shy, we'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list.
It felt so good to know that our kitchen was thoroughly clean and wiped down, especially that our sink was nice and fresh and clean, ready to go. But the first thing I was going to do in this room was take off the pillowcases of our throw pillows because it had seriously been so many months since I had done this last and it was getting kind of embarrassing, so I am going to throw those in the wash, which you will see in just a moment here. But I'm now going to vacuum off our sectional, and then later you will see me separate it because a lot of stuff had just gotten under here and had been, again, many months since I had cleaned underneath it.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping.
As you guys can see here, I am vacuuming off our carpet, but then I was going to clean off these little heater sort of things that we don't actually use anymore. We have a different heating and cooling system, but they are still here for the time being, so I thought it was definitely necessary to wipe them off because I normally don't have access to them because they are behind our sofa.
One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Normally, I would have much more of the video spent in the living room and I would show a lot more of cleaning in there, but after separating our sectional, I kind of rethought the layout of furniture and it just kind of went in a spiral and I kind of wanted to redecorate our living room. So that is a story for another time. It'll probably be in next week's video, but I'm not completely sure. But regardless, I was next going to move into our laundry room. I was going to switch over the bedding into the dryer and start another load of some other laundry. As you guys can see on my phone here, it was already 1:14 and I started a little before 9 a.m. So we had already been at this cleaning day for over 4 hours now, but now I'm going to move into the last room that I cleaned on this day, and this was my bathroom. I had mentioned in a previous video how I wanted to do some more deep cleaning on my channel for my bathroom, so here we are. I'm going to start by wiping down the countertops, but the deeper cleaning that I did on this day was with my shower, and I just gave it a really thorough cleaning, which took quite a long time to do.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time.
Now, please do not mind my appearance. By this point, I was just really focusing on cleaning and I just felt so dirty, so I got a really good shower after all this, but I am going to be using this toothbrush, and don't worry, it is strictly a cleaning toothbrush. But I am going to be using it to really deep clean the faucet and drain area in my bathroom. So first on my sink here, and then in just a moment in my tub. And this is really disgusting to show you guys, but it is what's realistic. And as the water just kind of drips down, it creates this, which is just so gross. And a lot of this is actually stained from hard water, so there's really nothing that I can do about it. But all that really matters is that it is really thoroughly cleaned, and by the end of this, it definitely was. So, while still not perfect, at least the after looks way better than the before. But now I was going to clean out this little holder that holds my toothbrush and toothpaste because a lot of just soap scum and water had been laying at the bottom here and it just really needed to be cleaned out. But here's the after, definitely way better. But the final little area that I was going to do some deep cleaning at was this window ledge here. And again, you guys are really getting some close shots of some really dirty areas in our house today, but I hope this is really motivating for you guys because I'm sure we all have some space like this in our home. But I was going to quickly wipe this off before now showing you some last shots of these spaces that we gave a good deep cleaning to in this bathroom. But it felt so good at the end of this day to know that our entire home was thoroughly cleaned. But after cleaning for 6 hours and just dealing with the tripod and filming it, I was just really tired, and I decided to give myself some grace and just finish up the laundry and my bedding without the camera on. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!